Please tell us your answer on that. What have you observed about your dad and
I think, like,
your parents?
you know, the one most important thing that I was recently discussing this with one of my friends as well, is that, you know, when we were growing up, my mother really, she never let us have a sense of the industry that my dad was part of. Like, we always, I knew that dad was an actor and I knew all these things, but no matter what happened, the atmosphere at home would stay the same. If his movies did well, I didn't know. If his movies did not do that well, I didn't know. The reaction was always the same, and I think that that's something he's always instilled in me. He said, react nahi karne ka, move on, move on,
right.
move on, move on. Just work hard and move on. And I
right.
think he's just been so, he's been so positive. He doesn't really have a temper. He doesn't take in a lot of stress. I think that's another reason that everyone's like, dude, your dad looks so young. I'm like, what about react to me? I'm looking great, you know? But like, I think that's one of the reasons, because he doesn't harbor any negativity. And I think that I've taken, I mean, I hope that I've taken that from him. I mean, I don't remember the last time I got really angry or lost my temper at someone. And I can say the same of my father as well, you know? Yeah. He's really patient. He's really understanding. He gives everyone a second chance, you know. I remember many years ago, I think it was 3 years ago, 4 years ago, something happened within our company, and he was like, you know, I've never let go of anyone from a job, ever. And I was like, you know, he's like, I've always believed in second chances. I've always believed in forgiveness. I've always believed in moving on and staying positive and believing in the good in people and yourself, you know. And that's what, I mean, I hope to take from him always, because I feel like it makes you a good businesswoman. It makes you a good human being. And he's always been, you know, even though he's worked so much, his influence on me as a father, and sort of shaping my morality, it's been extreme, you know. And I think that that's the only way to really influence someone's personality as a child, is love, you know.
Right, absolutely. And has there been a role reversal of kind? Have you started noticing that your kids are becoming your parents and have become like pretty dictatorial about, like, you need to do this, you need to start reading right?
Absolutely. She screams at me, shouts at me, tells me what to do, tells me how to behave, tells me what to wear. You know, sometimes it becomes too much, but I have learned a lot, because I feel today, if I'm with the times, in every which way, is because of her.
Right.
You know, which song is happening or which is not happening. All these things, then you grow with them. So now they tell us what's happening in the world, you know.
Right. She's your software update.
Yeah, yeah.
With me, it's the other way around.
Ah.
I update them.
Yeah.
I just want you to know that that's not true.
Ria.
I just want you to know that's not true. You can just, please, I just want you to see the fashion evolution alone, and you will know.
It's whose blood is it, yeah? सिखाया किसने?
ऐसे सपने हैं या कैसी चाह है नीना जी की या अनिल कपूर साहब की, जो रिया या मसाबा पूरा करना चाहते हैं, या उनसे कभी पूछा है कि अभी भी वो कौन से ड्रीम्स हैं जो आप दोनों एज अ डॉटर्स पूरा करना चाहते हैं?
You know, I think that it's very funny, but I was just literally just having this discussion last night. But apart from my career and my fitness level, my father has never had, I think my father's biggest dream for me is that I have a six-pack. You know, I still remember I used to come back from college and I used to be like, Dad, like, this is my GPA. He used to look at me and he used to be like, just be fit, beta. Just, like, there would be no, like, I would come back and I would, like, I used to rank in school and I was a full-on, like, I was studious and everything. There was no reaction at all. And kabhi aisa nahi hua ki, you know, beta shaadi kar lo, ya, you know, never, not even once. I said, Dad, how do you feel? Like, Sonam and I, like, we're going to get married soon, I think. Like, you know, it happens, right? I said, don't be so dated, beta. You're so outdated, you're so old-fashioned, you know. And he's just never put any pressure. He just says, work hard and just make a fantastic body. That's my father's major dream for me. So I feel like I'll, okay, I'll think about fulfilling the
Health is, health is the
six-pack
wealth.
part
It's
of it,
not
I
the
just love
six-pack,
food.
but it's just, if you're healthy, you're happy. Life is fantastic. It's beautiful. Absolutely, you can, all these your personal ambitions, your professional ambitions will be fulfilled if you're feeling healthy and feeling good about yourself. वो कब करना है क्या करना है वो अपने आप हो जाएगा यार. टेंशन लेने का उसका. Don't take stress. Don't take
He just
stress.
says that like if you're looking great, you've won. You've already defeated them.